Hey, it's Michael again from Corona POS. And with spring around the corner, we're here to talk about some ideas to get your business off on the right foot. Spring isn't always known as a big season for retail. Many consumers are more interested in enjoying the weather than shopping at retail stores. Coming up with spring marketing ideas for retail doesn't need to be as time-consuming and stressful as your winter holiday planning, but it's worth making a strategy nonetheless. After all, there will be less competition than in other seasons. Plus, it's a great way to gear up for the rest of the year. So what are the best ways that you can market your business this spring and ensure that you have a great first half of the year? Let's go over these 6 springtime marketing tips. First, think spring break. And the best strategy to attract spring break enthusiasts is to host a giveaway. Giveaways are an easy way to attract new customers, and even with a big prize offered, a great marketing giveaway can pay dividends. A big spring break promotion will attract a lot of customers, both new and existing. This will grow your customer base and increase your brand loyalty. All of these customers will need to register for entry to win the prize. This gives you the easy opportunity to collect phone numbers, emails, birthdays, and other information to grow your future marketing. Just keep it straightforward and simple so people aren't annoyed. If possible, focus on spring break events or products. Free vacations, tickets, or relevant paraphernalia will keep your marketing on point. Similarly, you might want to start a social media contest. Highlighting sales, deals, discounts, and promotions on your social media pages is an important avenue for marketing. But hosting a contest is even better. It encourages engagement with audience participation. This will increase your visibility on social media and make your brand more recognizable. Social media contests really can be pretty easy. Pet shops can start a pet photo contest on Instagram. Require a certain hashtag in order to participate. You can offer a prize on Twitter for the most retweets on something brand related. Whatever you do, incentivize sharing to help spread your business name and brand. Spring makes it a great time to center the contest around holidays or spring themes. If you're a big enough brand, you can really up the stakes by offering free products for a year or other larger prizes. Third, come up with promotions that help you clean and optimize your inventory. You don't necessarily need to go all out and give away a free vacation. Running more basic sales and promotions is a great way to up your spring marketing strategy. First, spring sales and discounts will stand out more. Fewer retailers and other businesses run large promotions. Most people expect prices to rise across the board as the summer approaches. So organizing a large promo or store-wide discount will be sure to attract unsuspecting shoppers. But like any promotion, it's important that it benefits your business as much as the customers. Use this as an opportunity to clear out products that you had trouble selling. Overstocked items in your inventory can be a huge burden to your business. Using your retail POS inventory management, identify several of these products and find creative ways to promote them. Not only will this help optimize your inventory, but you also have an improved understanding of each of your retail products. Likewise, get rid of any winter line items. For many stores, particularly apparel retailers, the process of organizing inventory starts with trying to move through your winter product line. Bargain shoppers will be on the prowl for big discounts on warmer clothing and accessories. But most retailers also sell seasonally specific products. Few can afford the space to store them in the warehouse for the summer, and even fewer the space to keep them on the shelves. So it's vital to move through your winter line and open up your space to sell more spring and summer items. Fifth, get on the spring theme bandwagon. Get cheesy with spring puns and plays on words. Dad jokes might be bad, but they're catchy and will get people paying attention and talking about your small business. For some businesses, this will be easier to relate to. Bike shops, gardening stores, and hardware stores, for instance, can easily find ways to relate to spring themes and activities. Other retail niches, however, might have to work a bit harder to find ways to create spring marketing promotions. Just get creative. A laundromat can advertise a spring cleaning deal, or a sporting goods store can highlight traditional spring sports. If it's possible with your retail space, move part of the store outside. Sidewalk sales grab the attention of passersby and increase your retail foot traffic. Make a great sign and think about having a staff member greet customers out there. Outdoor sections are likely to increase your sales. Finally, take advantage of all holidays and events. There are a few big spring holidays like St. Patrick's Day, Earth Day, Mother's Day, Memorial Day, which most small businesses use as marketing opportunities. But there are plenty of smaller special days and local events that you can take advantage of too. Look into community organizations and events. Farmers markets, city festivals, and charitable events are great ways to give back to the neighborhood and get your name out there. With the beautiful weather coming back, many people come out for the springtime events, and everyone is in good spirits. Participating in these is great for business and fun to do as well. Sponsoring local sports teams like Little League or community softball is another great way to add to your brand identity and recognition. Many of these leagues start in the spring, so get on the ball early. Finally, look into some of the smaller holidays. The spring equinox is March 20th, National Puppy Day is March 23rd, and Waffle Day is March 25th. April boasts Tweed Day on the 4th, National Beer Day on April 7th, National Cheese Ball Day April 17th, and National Pretzel Day, looking at you, Stanley Hudson, on April 26th. We'd love to list all of them, but we'll let you check out the rest for yourself. Find fun ways to incorporate them into your store and brand. Your staff and customers will love it too. KORONA's point-of-sale solution makes it easy to price any type of sale or promotion, whether it's for the spring or any other holiday marketing strategy, all while keeping your inventory and costs in order on your back end. The cloud-based solution also makes it easy to monitor the success or failure of any marketing campaign. Detailed sales metrics and in-depth product reporting help you make sense of your business. Try it for free today and set up a personalized demo with one of our product specialists. For more advice and inspiration this year, subscribe to our blog and channel, and thanks for watching.